I'm going to show you how to add fullness and volume in 3 very simple steps using clip-on endless hair extensions. First, I'm going to add a part right above the nape of my neck. I'm going to add a weft right here. There's clips on each end. I'm going to go ahead and let my hair down. The second part goes right behind my ears. I'll let my hair down. Okay, I'm going to add a third part around the crown of my head. I'll let my hair down. And you can see the fullness and the body being added. It's so amazing.